Right now, more money is pouring into a single idea than at almost any other moment in history. That idea is artificial intelligence, AI. And the question splitting Wall Street right down the middle is simple. Is this the future, or the biggest bubble since the year 2000? The believers are certain. They say AI is going to change absolutely everything about how we live and work. And the money agrees with them. Around $1.6 trillion is set to pour into AI over just the next few years. $660 billion this year alone, just on the data centers and computers needed to run it. Suddenly, every company slapped the letters AI onto whatever they were selling and watched their stocks soar. One chipmaker, Nvidia, blew past $4 trillion, becoming the most valuable company on the entire planet. And now the whole market leans on just a handful of names. The top 5 companies are worth 30% of the entire stock market. And that is when the skeptics raise their hand and say, we have seen this exact movie before. So let's rewind to the year 2000, the dot-com bubble. Back then, all you had to do was add .com to your company's name, and the stock would explode. Companies with no profit and barely a product were suddenly worth billions of dollars overnight. Pure hype. And then it popped. The Nasdaq fell 78%. Trillions of dollars in wealth simply gone. Fortunes were wiped out, and millions of ordinary people were financially ruined. But here's the twist, the part that almost everyone forgets. The internet really was the future. Amazon, Google, the companies that survived went on to change the entire world. And yet, the crash still happened anyway. Both things were true at the same time. And that is the real lesson. A technology being completely real does not stop a bubble from forming around it. The AI is real. The prices people are paying for it might not be. Both of those can be true at once. So the only question left isn't if, but when. But that is a story for another time. I'm Stick Figure Finance. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.